Hi, let's look at some quick Linux tips, especially if you're a beginner. So the first one I want to look at is one that is based on memes. So instead of saying, how do I get out of Vim? Just use Shift ZZ to save and close, or Shift ZQ to close without saving. So if I was to do something like VI meme Vim, right? To create the, let's say we are creating this file. Go into insert mode, enter. So if I want to save this, I can just do escape and then Shift ZZ to save it. Shift ZZ to save it. So if I open it again, you'll see what I had is there. But let me delete everything there. So to delete everything here, I can just do something like 3DD to delete everything. If I want to get out without saving, I can just do Shift ZQ. Shift ZQ. And if I open it, you'll see that nothing has changed. Right, so that's the first one. Shift ZQ, get out of that. Instead of typing clear, to clear the screen, you can just do Control L. Control L to clear the screen. Okay, so let's say you forget to add something in your command. For example, I want to do apt update, and I realize that I need to use sudo to run this command. So instead of going back, retyping the command again and adding sudo, what you can do is you can type the command you missed, sudo space, and then you add 2 semicolons. This is going to bring back the previous command. So when I run that, it's going to run sudo apt update. Let's try that again with a different command. So let's say with the previous one, I want to open this file. Oh, I realize, I forgot to add Vim at the beginning. So what do? I just add vi space, enter. That's going to run the previous command. Shift ZQ to close it. Let's say maybe I run something like udo, right? I want to type sudo apt update and forgot. Oh, udo is not recognized. So I can just do S. You can see this time around, I didn't add a space. If I run that, it's going to bring the previous command. So bear that in mind. So this one is one you probably already know, but you can always go to the previous commands by simply using the up arrow or the down arrow to go through the commands that you ran. Instead of typing, you just keep looking for it until you find it. All right, so let's do another one. Let's go with this one. If you want to go to the beginning of the line, you've just seen this and you've realized, I've forgotten to add S. What am I going to do? You're going to do Control A. Control A is going to take you to the beginning of the line, and you can run your command. You can enter what you need to enter. At the same time, if you want to go to the end of the command, you forgot something, you can do Control E. That's going to take you to the end of the command. So if you're on Windows, use git bash. With git bash, you can do some of this as well. Right, so you realized, I don't want to run this command anymore. So let me clear the entire line. How do I go about it? You just do Control U. Control U is going to delete everything in that line. There are others that you can do, like creating aliases. For example, I have an alias there for that, right? So I can do that in another video with a lot more commands. If you need more, just let me know. You need more tutorials like this, let me know. Until next time.